Hey my glam fam, welcome back to Style and Glamour by Ulka, where we take beauty trends and make them our own. Today I'm diving into the icy makeup look that's breaking the internet. This frosty, glowing, winter perfect vibe is everything, and I'm here to show you step by step how you can achieve it. So grab your brushes, your coffee or hot chocolate and let's get started. First things first, skincare. I've already washed my face with the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Seriously, the best for the fresh, hydrated glow. Then I layered on the Cosrx Nail Mucin and sealed it all with the Cosrx Moisturizer. This trio is my ultimate pre-makeup prep. No flaky skin here, only smooth, plump vibes. Brows next, because let's face it, they are the unsung heroes of any makeup look. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade medium brown to give them some definition. Pro tip: light feathery strokes are the secrets. Then I'm locking them in with the ABH setting gel. If your brows stay put in a snowstorm, you're winning. Now let's prime this canvas. I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. It's like a smoothie for your skin. Hydrating, refreshing, and oh so coconutty. Trust me, your foundation will thank you. Okay, time for some concealer magic. I'm using two shades today. First is this Pat McGrath Lab Skin Fetish Sublime Concealer in LM14, which is my perfect skin tone. This Pat McGrath Labs concealer is amazingly lightweight, buildable concealer that can give blemishes and under eyes a perfect amount of coverage. It's easy to work with and long wearing. This concealer melts into the skin for a super natural finish. And the concealer brush that I'm using is the Spectrum B03. And to blend the product even further, I'm using the Spectrum Marble Ruby Cell Makeup Puff, which is amazing. I love their pink velour puff as well. Also guys, disclaimer, I do have a 20% discount code to use for Spectrum Beauty. So if you want to buy something, go ahead and purchase from their website, but don't forget to use my code. The code will be in the description box below. Foundation time. I'm trying out the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Stromboli for the first time. Let's see if this lives up to the hype. Also, spoiler alert, I'm already loving the lightweight feel. Also, guys, look what I have here from Spectrum. These are the Stitch collection with Disney, which they have collaborated with Spectrum collection. Oh my god, I love their sponges. They're extremely soft and very cute. So I have dampened my sponge and here I am applying the foundation in thin layers, and look at that. You know, the best part about the sponges, they don't soak off any product, and each and every product is deposited on the skin. So look at the coverage. because you guys know, like, whenever we use a beauty blender, the beauty blender soaks up a lot of product. So that's why I always use a stippling brush or a kabuki brush, but not in this case. I really love this sponge, and also I will be restocking it in for the future for sure. And if you want to buy anything from Spectrum, I have a coupon code which you can use and get your 20% discount on any full size product from them. Look at that coverage, guys. Look how much I'm impressed with the coverage. I seriously love this sponge. Also, this foundation is really magical. I love it, and this is my first time wearing it, so I genuinely love this foundation. If you want a detailed review on the NARS Radiant Longwear foundation, let me know in the comments down below. Check out how flawlessly it has covered every single thing. And now I am going in with this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. This is my highlighting shade and I'm in the shade medium. It's for a brightening effect, as you all know, so I'm applying everywhere on my high points, like my T-zone and my chin, under the contour area and under eye area, everywhere. And I'm just blending with the same stitch sponge from Spectrum. This is so beautiful and I just love how it blends the product. Usually many of the sponges that I used previously would take time to blend the product, but not with this sponge. This is super easy to blend the product. It just blends seamlessly. Okay, so finally we are done with the base. Now to set all this goodness, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder, but this one is the blur translucent powder, which I love it, and this is my first time using it. So I'm nicely warming the product on my hand and removing the excess, and then applying it under the eyes to remove all the creases, and instantly you can see how it has blurred up my under eye area. And also I'm applying on my T-zone. My face look blurred, let me know in the comments. Blush time. For this icy look, pink is non-negotiable. I'm using P. Louise colored base in Winter Rose. Look at that pop. I mean, who doesn't want to look like they just stepped out of a snow globe? Applying the blush, I'm using B01 brush from Spectrum, and on top of that, to blend everything, I'm using the Stitch sponge again. Okay, so instead of contouring, I'm going in with Huda Beauty Tantour in medium for a warm bronzy vibe. And to apply the product, I'm using the brush B04 from Spectrum. This is a tiny definer brush, which has an angle to it. It's best for chiseling out your jawline, our nose, and this is actually, I guess, a best nose contouring brush. Again, I'm using the Stitch Collection Spectrum sponge, and here I am squeezing the sponge and dabbing it on the sides of the nose. And now I'm going in with the MACQUEEN New York 3-color shading in the shade Grey Brown. Yes, it's a bit ashy, but hey, we are making it work. And to apply the product, I am using the A01 Spectrum all-in-one powder brush. This is really soft, and you know what guys, their synthetic bristles are amazing. To set my nose contouring, I'm using the Spectrum A28 brush. This is a flat fluffy shader brush. Next, using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Finish powder, and this is a setting powder with the same all-in-one powder brush from Spectrum X Malchita collection. This is A01 brush, and look at that. And now I am going in with my P. Louise base in Rumor 2 on my eyelids. This is an eyeshadow base. To blend the product, I'm using the brush A06, which is a Spectrum concealer brush again. And on top of that, I'm using the sponge. Today, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette because it's perfect for the subtle winter glam. I'll list the shades on the screen as I go. But can we just agree that eyeshadow is basically painting for grown-ups? How many of you agree with me? Comment down below. Comment down below with a thumbs up emoji, or you can just say agree. So coming back to our eyeshadow look, I'm using the Spectrum B06 brush. That's the fluffy blender blush. And guys, look at this. Spectrum has sent me so many goodies. First, that Stitch blender, and now this Powerpuff Girls brush set. And from that, I'm using this brush to apply my eyeshadow. This is from their Blossom range, and this is the A28 Spectrum brush. Oh my god, I just love the shader brush. This is perfect. It just fits rightly on my eyelids. As you know, my eyelids are very small. For defining that crease, I'm using A28, and this one is the flat fluffy shader brush from their Marble collection. Now for the waterline, I'm using this brush from Spectrum again. That's A25 from the Blossom collection, and you can see this has a perfect angle which can fit right under the eyes. Now for the star of the show, the glitter. I'm using Foccular Glittering Liquid Eyeshadow on the center of the eyelids. Look at that sparkle. It's like tiny icicles for my eyes. Also, you can shop this eyeshadow from Yes Style. I will list my link below, and also use my coupon code ULKA1410 to get extra 5% to 10% off. So now I am going in with NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is my go-to for that sharp, precise wing. I really love this liner. As you all know, who are my old subscribers, they know how much I love this liner. This is the perfect jet black liner, and again, if you're a beginner, this is a great liner because you have a whole control over you, and you can see how easily I'm drawing the wing. And now curling my lashes. Please tell me I'm not the only one who has a love-hate relationship with my eyelash curler. Finishing off with Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara because drama belongs on your lashes, not your life. And now the Glow Fenty Beauty's Diamond Bomb highlighted everything. I mean, if you're not glowing brighter than your Christmas tree, are you even doing the icy look right? Glossy lips are a must for this look. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss, setting everything up with MAC Fix Plus in Gold Lit. This step is non-negotiable. It locks everything and gives that radiant finish. I wanted a little extra flush, so I went back with a Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. Then for an even bolder glow, I layered on the Ice Crushes palette by Jeffree Star. What do you think? Too much or just right? And voila, the ultimate icy makeup look. That's it for today, my lovelies. What do you think of this look? Are you ready to embrace the icy trend? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tutorial, and drop a comment below if you'll be recreating this look. Stay glam, stay gorgeous, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.